If your ad account has stopped performing, the chances are your creative sucks. I'm going to help you. In this video, I'm going to go through the creative formats, styles, and concepts that are crushing it right now in 2025 with examples from across the internet of every ad type. I'm Jessie Healy. I'm a former agency owner turned e-commerce coach, and I have spent 50 million on ads, and so I know what ads are working and what ads won't. So stick around, watch the video to improve your performance and turn things around. Okay, so the first ad type I see working is the crazy product demo. So this is a kind of a riff on the typical product demo ad where you use something a little bit more crazy or unexpected to demonstrate the product. This ad's just a fun way to show that the bag fits a lot. In a similar vein, this ad shows you how much weight a chair can take in a silly way. This one really just grabs your attention with someone pouring something all over themselves, but it demos the product really well.
It's time.
Type of ad that's absolutely crushing is UGC with a twist. So user-generated content filmed at home, really lo-fi, but with like more of a twist to it to make it more entertaining or interesting. So here's a couple of examples.
It's just another ad for this oatmeal company.
Well, this brand finally got me. After seeing so many ads on social media for oats overnight, I finally decided to give it a try, and I'm glad I did.
What works about this ad is while it's UGC, there's lots of like fast cuts of showing different things within the ad itself. And you can see there's lots going on to keep your attention, but also the way they address skepticism at the beginning of the ad is really strong. Here's another example of UGC with a difference.
Hexclad is the best cookware on the planet. Hexclad Mother's Day sale. Best pans for searing steak. Scratch-resistant cookware. Up to 40%.
You get the idea. Super fun way to like get the brand messages home, but in a humorous, fun, kind of like social media type of a way. The third ad type that crushes every single time is problem-agitate-solution. It is a format as old as time. It's been around since ads were on TV, but in the digital era, it still works amazing. So I'm going to show you a couple of good examples.
Now, I get 10 out of 10 horrific period pain. It is the worst.
I have really bad period pain.
I've tried everything. Painkillers, IUD, birth control. Nothing works like this.
So this is a mashup of the problem, right? So we've got all these different people with the problem, and then we come in for the solution.
Better than pain medication to me.
Everyone needs to know the ins and outs of it.
Meet Overa. It's a small device that uses pulse therapy to instantly get rid of period cramps.
As soon as I feel a bit crampy, I put this on, and literally within minutes, I forget I have my period.
I'm obsessed.
Overa changed my life in so many ways.
Such a good ad. Here's another example of the problem-agitate-solution. This one is fantastic because it helps customer understand what their problem is and identify what the solution might be that they might not yet be aware of.
Since you're deficient in magnesium. The good news, you're not alone, and that all of these things.
The next ad format that's working great is the reaction-based hook. So that's when you use the TikTok response style reaction video to react to a customer comment and use it as a way to address an objection or sell your product. So here's an example here.
This girl called our product a scam, but this is where you went wrong, Sarah. You already have bright white teeth, don't you? The V34 colour corrector achieves impressive results, just like this. See that? On people that have yellow undertones in their teeth.
The next ad type is the curiosity hook. It's where you use that first 3 seconds of the video to like grab people's attention by showing something weird or unusual to try and get them to keep watching. So here's a few examples of this format. That's one example. Here's another. Here's another. Here's another.
My humans have been fighting every day. They're always angry and sad. Well, I found this couple's app paired for them. It sends them a question every day, and they can't see each other's response until they both answer.
So there you go. That's a bunch of like just curiosity hooks. What crazy thing can you do to make your ad more likely to stop the scroll? The comparison ad is the ad type that just never ever loses. So if your product is better than the competitor, which let's hope it is, right? Then this type of ad format will work really well for you. Here's an example.
Trying Shark Tank products so you don't have to deal with part 3.
SandCloud, 10 out of 10. The revolutionary sand-free technology is mind-blowing. So you'll say goodbye to those pesky sand grains that always seem to cling to your towel. That's not all.
So, great ad, I'm sold. Next up is the founder ad. There are so many ways that you can do a founder ad. It doesn't necessarily have to be the standard format. I'm going to show you a bunch of examples of just quick hooks from different founder ads to get your juices flowing. So the first one.
Why I ditched coffee and created mud water.
I was drinking tons of coffee. I was jittery, I was anxious, and I met more and more people who had a similar relationship to caffeine. So I ended up swapping it out for masala chai. I added lion's mane for focus and cognitive function, chaga and reishi for immune support, cordyceps for physical performance.
So that one's kind of highly produced, has a little bit more storytelling and focuses on problem-agitate-solution. This one's super lo-fi.
Founder, CEO of Everyday Dose, and our holiday sale is live now.
You get the idea. We've got this one from Honey Love.
Hi, I'm Betsy. I'm the founder of Honey Love. We hear from a lot of our customers that they stopped wearing bras when they bought this tank. It has a built-in wire-free bra that...
So that ad format is more like the founder as the spokesperson explaining the product. So as you can see, there's 3 examples of some really different ways you can do a founder ad that hopefully gives you some ideas for your own business. Here's another example of the comparison ad that I think packs some punch. The final type of ad that's working really well is what I'd call the attention seeker ad. It's the ad that just purposely stops the scroll because it's unique and it doesn't really follow a standard format. So here's a bunch of examples for you on some really attention seeking ads.
Hi, I'm calling to speak with Lindsay.
Yes, speaking.
Hi, I'm calling from Bloom. I just wanted to verify that you made a purchase of $267 worth of Meltdown products today.
Yes, I did.
Okay, I was just wondering, what made you place this order?
Well, I actually discovered Bloom about a year ago, and I suffer from really bad hormonal acne. I also have really sensitive skin, so when I was trying a lot of other products, it would just irritate my skin and make my acne worse. Bloom is the only product that keeps it at bay, so I use the whole line now, which honestly changed my life, and I can't live without it.
You get the idea. Calling a customer, wild. If you were brave enough to try it, it could turn into your best ad ever. This one here. A bit of humour never goes too far. And another one.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
And another one. Sometimes the coolest ads are just super simple and they just do something different to attract attention. So there you have it. There are a bunch of ad ideas to hopefully get your creative juices flowing. If you want some more help with coming up with ad ideas, I have a whole system for doing this. I have a whole system for generating ideas, for analyzing them that I teach inside my program. The first step is to jump on a call with me and find out whether it's a fit. And in exchange, I'm very happy to audit your ads and give you some feedback on them free of charge. The link to book is just below this video.